Back in the garage with a project that is a little familiar to some of you. Turn to page 201 of your Bentley manual, and you will see we are at engine removal and installation. So here's the deal. This is a 1994 Saab 900 turbo convertible that you have seen before here on the channel. This car ran great through the summer until I blew the head gasket. So pulled the engine out and realized, wait a minute, I've got an engine and transmission from the car that was in my YouTube series on converting from automatic to 5-speed. That car was destroyed in a traffic accident, but I thought the engine and transmission were fine. So the plan was, I lifted it out of the other car, put it into this one, and thought I was going to be good to go. Only to discover the transmission was damaged as they were pulling this car out of the ditch. So no fifth gear, no reverse. Should have checked that beforehand, but you know, you live and learn. So, all right, now I've got a car with that won't run in fifth or reverse, and I've got an engine that needs a head gasket. So here's the plan. We're going to lift the engine out of this car and strip off of it all the good stuff that it had. A new starter, alternator, water pump, clutch, you know, all that stuff, all the wear items had all been replaced. So those are all going to come off, and they're going to go onto this car's original engine as I change the head gasket. Then there's a guy down in Florida that I met over on a Facebook Saab 900 group who says he's got a transmission that is a 0-mile rebuilt 5-speed. Perfect. So I'll rebuild the original head, put all the good stuff on it, bolt on a new transmission, and then back into this car it goes, and hopefully we'll be on the road before spring arrives here in the Midwest. So that is the plan, and along the way, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to just let the cameras roll as I work here in the shop on things, and then we're going to present some of the steps and what this process of removing an engine is like to you guys in a series of live streams. I'm going to reach out to some other Saab guys, some other Saab mechanics around the country, have them join me and kind of co-host the live stream as we walk you through the process and kind of give you some of their experience and some tips and tricks and other things along the way. So lots of cool stuff coming, lots of work to do. I'm going to spend 2 days a week on this project, hope to get it all done inside 1 month. That's the plan. Hope we can make it work. So glad you guys are going to be following along. I will look forward to chatting with you and learning more about it as we helping you learn more about the process as we do our live streams. Should be great. Glad you're here. We'll keep all posted as progress moves along. And as I always say, get out in the garage and get yourselves dirty. That's what I'm going to be doing. Hope you will too. All right, guys, thanks.